All right. So for today's DIY, it's a little late coming up today, but we're going to get it up. And we're just going to do a super easy and quick sore throat spray. So with the seasons changing and the weather changing and everything, and all of the environmental stuff that's going on right now, this is perfect. And we're going to do it in a 10 ml bottle. This is a glass bottle. You always want to make sure that your essential oils are kept in glass because depending on the oils, it can leach the plastics out of them, which is not what you want. So we have a 10 ml little bottle and it has a spray nozzle on the top of it, which is always nice. That way you can just hold it in front and spray it on. This is also kind of perfect to do it as like a breath freshener if you're looking for something where you can do like peppermint or spearmint or even clove, kind of depending on what effect you're looking for in the oil. But for today's sore throat spray, what we're going to be using, the three oils that we're going to use are On Guard. So we're going to be doing 2 drops of On Guard. We're going to do 1 drop of frankincense and 1 drop of lemon essential oil. So if you've never heard of On Guard or if you haven't used On Guard is an amazing blend and it has a combination of different oils. It's not diluted at all, but it does have orange oil, clove bud oil, cinnamon leaf oil, cinnamon bark oil, eucalyptus, and rosemary oil. So it's an amazing combination to support your immunity, either just diffusing it or as we're using it here for our sore throat spray. So we're basically just going to go ahead and start dropping them in. Again, 2 drops of On Guard, and then we're going to do 1 drop of frankincense. So got in 2 drops, but that's okay. And 1 drop of lemon essential oil. And that was also 2 drops came in. Then we're going to fill it up with the rest of the way up with just distilled water. So if you don't have distilled water, boil some water, let it cool down, and then go ahead and pour that in. Oh, so we are spilling. So here, what we're going to do is I'm going to pour a little bit out of here. So now that we have it here, it's basically topped up. We're going to just tighten up the lid. And then just kind of before you're about to use it, go ahead and just kind of swizzle it around a little, and then it's all set to go. If you are going to be carrying multiple ones of these, I do have one for like a mosquito spray that I carry. Just either put like a sticker or a label on it so that way you know which one is what. Otherwise, just go ahead and smell it because automatically you will smell the On Guard. It is a very distinct aroma because of the clove and the citruses. So it is there. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with anyone that can benefit from being able to do these DIYs. They're super simple, so easy, and we will see you next Monday. Thanks.